Hey guys, I made a rap at like 12 o'clock in the morning, and it was right after my friend Holly left, and I just thought I'd share it with YouTube and you guys. So here it goes. Back off, bitch, I be hanging with your daddy, sipping Coca-Cola, riding in the caddy. Better watch what you say, I could be your mama, knock a bitch out, then work it like Madonna. Put your hands on me, ride it like a pony, act like you never seen a girl with money. Take it on up, then drop it real low. Might as well take my ass on the dance floor. Got a boy on my left, girl on my right, bring it on in, cause it's getting real tight. High heels tripping, starting that dipping, rocking that club, cause the boys keep hitting. I don't hate on others, they be hating on me. Smack like Michael Jackson with a gay hee-hee, no mean to be rude, just popping that mood. Kayla's back, bitches step out or be moved. Yeah, yeah. This shit look like a toupee. I get what you get in 10 years and 2 days. That was my rap. Yeah, and I hope you guys like it. So subscribe, tell me what you think. If not, I won't know what you guys think. I don't think you guys hate me. So, sympathy here. Just kidding. Bye, guys.